Welcome to Prestige Automotives, Volvo V60, a December 2012 on a 62 registration, and it's a 1.6 litre T4 Ocean Race Edition. It comes with an automatic transmission, petrol and ULEZ compliant, and finished in Volvo's exclusive ocean blue metallic paintwork, which is only available in the Ocean Races. A very rare example to come by here in the UK, and has only covered 51,280 verified miles from new. It comes with a lot of the bells and whistles as you'd expect with Volvo, such as the blind spot assist, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, but this one also has the one-of-a-kind Ocean Race finished 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, finished in grey and diamond cut. It has the contrasting beige leather interior, a tilt and sliding sunroof system. A fantastic looking car in excellent condition throughout, which you'd have to really give us a call, book an appointment to come and appreciate. And to take you inside the interior, and straight away you're welcomed by the beige leather, a very well configured example. Driver's side door card, we've got the extended leather just here with the stitching, controls for your windows, your mirrors, your central locking, Volvo Ocean Race kick plates. We've got the stitching that continues on into the interior of the car. We've got the Volvo embossed Ocean Race engraving. Driver's seat, which is electrically adjusted, and comes with a 3 memory seat integration for driver 1, 2 and 3. 51,280 verified miles. We've got your multifunctional leather sports steering wheel, cruise control options here on the left, volume here on the right. Condition steering in presentable order. The upper part of the dashboard is finished in a brown textured. Very nice touch to the car, gives it nice contrast inside the interior. Near side mirror, these are electric and power folding. Same on the opposite side. And just beneath both mirrors you have your blind spot assist sensors. When somebody's in the blind spot area, this section here will illuminate to your attention. You have your push start stop button. We've got your infotainment screen here. You can connect your phone for Bluetooth, telephone and audio connectivity, make and receive phone calls, synchronize your contacts on this very own system, play music off your phone, which will play through the actual screen and speakers itself. Your climate control is controlled here in the center, but you can also notice your temperature and your heated seats options by using the infotainment screen as well. The heated seats is the 3 temperature setting for both driver and passenger side. We have your air conditioning, automatic gearbox with your geartronic option here as well, so if you want to go into manual modes. You've got your lane assist, blind spot assist, parking sensor options just here. As it's the Ocean Race, it comes with a I'd call it like a grey, maybe blue textured finish here in the center console. Underneath here you've got 2 cup holders and an armrest with a USB and auxiliary points as well. Tilt and sliding sunroof, all in full working order. So that's your tilt option. It brings a great amount of light inside the cabin here, one of my favourite features to have in a car. And to take you to the rear passenger seating area, electric windows also here at the back. Stitching also continues here in the rear and on the seats and just on the edges just here itself. Mats all the way around, Isofix anchor point on this seat and on the far side. Height adjustable headrests. You've got 2 cup holders, some further storage space just underneath there. Split folding second row seats. You can do the same on the opposite side as well, so you can see the car's very practical at the same time, not just a 5-seater family car. We've got your removable parcel shelf, which we'll show you as we go around the video. So very practical indeed. And to put the seats back up, quite simply repeat the process. And to show you down the offside, a very tidy example throughout. Again, as mentioned earlier in the video, you'd have to come in to really appreciate its condition. To bring you to the rear, we have your 4 parking sensors that run across the rear bumper. Privacy glass from B-post from the near side to the opposite side. Great amount of space here in the back. We've got your Ocean Race branded rear parcel shelf, which is present. Further storage space underneath, and underneath there you'll have your tyre kit in the event of a tyre change. Now we have the second row seats completely flattened down. You'll be able to see how practical this car actually is. You'll most definitely be able to get good view suitcases here in the back, and when anything large you need to move around, or for them long weekend drives away. 12 volt socket output just there as well. And to show you down the near side, there are going to be some age-related imperfections around the interior and exterior, ladies and gentlemen, as this is a used vehicle. But overall, nothing there to be alarmed about or to report. 17-inch diamond cut polished with grey multi-spoke alloy wheels. All 4 tyres are in excellent condition throughout, so don't require to be changed anytime soon. Quick view of the roof of the car. Very tidy. Headlining all intact. Volvo Ocean Race, front passenger seat, which is also electrically adjusted. And show you the upper part of the dashboard that's finished in dark brown a little bit more closely. And to take you towards the front of the car, active bending headlight system, followed by the xenon headlights for the brighter visibility at night. There we have the engine bay, all in good order. And this vehicle has also had its most recent timing belt change. So the car's prepared to a very high standard by us here at Prestige Automotives, and is now ready to move on to its new owner. So there we have it, guys. To recap, Volvo V60, a December 2012 on a 62 registration, 1.6 litre T4, automatic petrol ULEZ compliant, a 5-seater vehicle finished in the very rare Volvo Ocean Race blue metallic exterior with a beige leather interior. A very well configured example, Japanese import, in superb condition throughout. High specification as already been through on the video, and as part of our preparation, the timing belt has also been completed on this very own car. For more information, please do contact us on the details below. Finance and delivery are both available dealership facilities. Thank you very much for your time today, and we look forward to speaking to you very, very soon.